Omni One, Mr. Bong Rubio, and Wonder Boy Rap Rap, Sordan Alcantara. To all of you racing fans, good afternoon, good luck on your pick 6 choices for the first set. The favorite G-Star race number 3. It's racing time. We have G-Star. Draws for your lead. Tejeros moving up down on the inside. Latest model then moving up is Purple Temper sneaking in by the rail. Tontonito. Bond Up Halo comes next, then followed by Popsicle. Alim's Joy next in line. Ace Iron Monk as they race towards the half mile pole. With G-Star running by the latest model down in 30s, Tejeros. Then comes Tontonito, Band of Halo. Purple Temper running on the outside, then followed by Popsicle, Alim's Joy running on the outside, Iron Monk. But G-Star this time by about a length and a half. Running in second on the outside is Tejeros as they race for home. G-Star still leading the field. Tontonito moving up to take second. Tejeros is on the outside. And down the stretch they go. G-Star still leading the field. Over Tontonito on the outside. G-Star Tontonito from the humble stable wins the race over G-Star. Then comes Tejeros, Iron Monk, Alim's Joy, Purple Temper, Popsicle. Okay.